The AiRob Operator robot can operate in conditions nearly identical to those a human would face. The system supports through-hole assembly, soldering, testing, silicone dispensing and screwing. All these AiRob Operators implementations run on a unified software platform and share the same knowledge base. Our systems are modular and interchangeable. With vision systems mounted on the robot's wrist, product verification systems, and tactile feedback via our 6-axis force sensor, we can initiate the process from scratch, regardless of whether the robot is placed precisely at the center or slightly offset. It isn't fixed to the floor, and no additional engineering adjustments are necessary. Vision systems assist in identifying the workstation components, such as the tray and the products, and the exact coordinates where the robot should move. They also determine how the product should be picked up, while the force sensor ensures it is handled gently to avoid any damage, and then placed just as carefully in the designated testing area. The tools are designed to be as simple as possible. The user doesn't need any knowledge of PLC or robot programming. The main task is to integrate the system with the process. Among the market solutions I'm aware of, some may appear similar to ours at first glance, but the amount of work required to implement them is significantly higher compared to the solution we're offering. Electronic products used to have life cycles measured in years. Now, it's often just a matter of months. This means production lines need to be retooled quickly. That's exactly what our solutions enable. Implementing them takes just a few hours, sometimes even as little as one.